The Redmi K80 series is here, the first deep test of the power monster. Let's take a look. The new logo is also replaced with a new package. The reflection of the large piece looks very flash and the plastic film does not have a tear hole, so we need to borrow a tool. Let's start unboxing. Covering the 2.0 of Longjingbo, the three-sided frame is about 2.7 mm, the chin is about 2.94 mm, which is very close to the 4-level width. The metal middle frame is a matte texture without fingerprints and the screen is directly integrated with the main body of the frame is straight through the round transition to the front and back. The button has a high amount of cut edges and feels tight and slightly shaking. The top does not have an opening and the red line is placed on the back and the bottom charging port is concentrated. The back is a 3D large area of glass and the holder will be more familiar. The design is divided up and down, the top is polished glass and the bottom is A-grade glass. The advantage is that the place you touch often does not show fingerprints and the bright place is not easy to touch. The lens module and lens ring of the Windstorm Eye are made of aerosol and the high amount of foreign machines will feel a little cold. Because it's divided into 2 layers and it's overlapped so it's divided and it's reduced. The 3 lenses have a triangular distribution on each side and there's a light sensor and an arc-shaped remote control inside. Why does this pattern design look like a wheel eye? The whole machine is IP68 and IP69 waterproof and waterproof. The thickness is 8.56 mm and the lens protrudes 12.09 mm and the weight is 211.94 grams. It's pretty stable on the table and it's just a little bit of a kick in the upper left corner. The phone case is made of black soft plastic and the sandpaper texture is more durable and it's completely changed the style and it's black. There's a hole in the bottom that's going to be a microphone and it's not easy to get in and out of the bottom. On the screen is the ultrasonic fingerprint position is relatively comfortable, recognition is fast and not dazzling and not afraid of water. The screen and configuration, we have done a detailed test here. We will briefly summarize. The screen is targeted adjustment and green mount and active eye. It can be seen that the Red Rice really used a lot of thought for the future performance top configuration, plus the independent needle chip first also made the temperature distribution. It's not easy to get hot in the palm of your hand and it's hot in the upper right corner and it's very suitable for gaming. New gaming assistants also have long-term real-life analysis and detailed AI functions. The battery capacity is 6,000 mAh and supports 120 watts of wired and 50 watts of wireless to make up for the 15 Pro without 120 watts of regret. It also comes with a self-heating P3 and a memory chip. The battery is more accurate and has a low temperature boost chip. The measured wire can maintain more than 80 watts and the maximum is about 110 watts. The battery will drop to 60 watts at 36 degrees and then gradually drop instead of suddenly drop. The battery will drop to 200,000 watts at 40 degrees and the battery at 42 degrees and 150,000 watts is very suitable for playing and charging. The build quality of the charging is integrated fast charge support 180,000 pure PD support 240,000 communication support 5A frequency band is also much more than the same price. Wireless support Wi-Fi 7 bandwidth is 288 megabits per second navigation support dual screen and Beto 3 screen network communication distance is 65,000 meters. The Bluetooth is 6.0 and the full-featured AFC is the same as the Xiaomi flagship. The speaker is 1014D and 1115F vibration is 0809X line motor without music green. The main camera is a 50 million pixel light 800 with YS light. The recent focus distance is about 9.2 centimeters. The telephoto is a floating telephoto JN5 50 million pixels, 2.5 times the recent focus distance is 10 centimeters. The ultra-wide angle is a 32 megapixel KT1 telephoto lens. The combination of this set is very cost-effective. The maximum focal length of 5.5 inch is 60 times the magnification. The lab is under the full light of 350x. The performance of the machine is medium to medium. The 50 million pixel mode will have some Morse code and color. The color performance will be a little bit brighter and the 50 million pixels will be a little bit redder and the weak light 2x. The stability of the machine is not bad, with a little bit of red noise. The color is quite strong, not at all dark, and the noise control is not bad. In the scene of the big light, the light and shadow of the sun are very beautiful, but the picture will also be obviously cold. The details of the dark wave will be a little bit blurry. Let's take a look at the night scene. The waterprint cannot be added. It may be after the listing. The maximum zoom is 10 times, and you can only use double finger effect. You can evaluate it yourself. In general, AI will automatically turn on the night mode. And this time there is a waterprint. The portrait mode supports 4 focal lengths and the different lens styles are slightly different. Finally, let's summarize. The Red Rice K80 series is aimed at the user group of cost performance, especially those who need to use their mobile phones for a long time.